Still talking about yesterday's earthquake, the magnitude 3.6 tremor. It happened in Buzzards Bay just after 9 in the morning, caused some damage. About 24 people in New Bedford forced from their homes after the quake damaged furnaces and chimneys. Others reported cracks in their foundations. So who better to bring in now than Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca, because earthquakes like this, Tony, you said, of this size magnitude, fairly unusual here.
Yeah, we tend to get tremors in more in the 1 to 2 magnitude range, and while 3s and 4s are not unheard of, it's not as common. So when you're in that 3, 6, almost 4 range, the shake is felt really across many areas. Quieter, both the earth and the weather. Take a look outside. You know, it's incredible. Brian and I were talking earlier about this is a day 4 now, consecutive days of 70 or higher, and just, I mean, way above average today. I mean, the average high for this time of year is about 56. Some spots were close to 80 degrees this afternoon. Sunshine, clear, beautiful in Providence. The temperature now has gone from 75 to 68, but some inland areas still low 70s and 60s along the coastline. Now, naturally, right at sunset and beyond, it does cool off quite a bit. So the nights are still cool to chilly, but not terribly cold. Threat tracker now through Tuesday and Wednesday. Low-level green, no big storms or high-impact weather on the way. We do have some showers arriving here by Wednesday, specifically Wednesday night. In the meantime, skies are clear all across New England. Strong cold front out across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes with some showers, and we'll watch that by the Wednesday night, Thursday time frame. Ada still making news. We've been talking about this storm now for almost 2 weeks. There's the circulation tropical storm off the coast of Florida. Winds now at last check from the Hurricane Center at 50 miles per hour, and this will be a slow drift to the north as a tropical storm, maybe a minimal hurricane the rest of the week and towards the weekend towards the Florida Panhandle. So it's mostly a concern for the eastern Gulf and specifically Florida. Some of this tropical moisture out ahead of it is going to try to ride up in here Wednesday night and into Thursday, giving us some rain. Look at this huge contrast in temperature. 2 seasons on the weather map. Let me step out of the way and look at this. I mean, from Billings, Montana at 25 to Louisville, Kentucky at 81. So you can see the sharp contrast. This is along a strong cold front, and some of this cooler air headed our way by the end of the week. Now, we're not talking 25 degrees, but it'll feel more like November by the end of the week and the weekend. We'll walk you through the forecast hour by hour, take you through this evening and overnight, which is fairly quiet. I do expect a little bit of fog along the coastline late at night and early tomorrow morning. Sunshine gets to work, and here we go again with temperatures running way above average here. We're thinking upper 60s to low 70s around 2 o'clock in the afternoon with sunny skies. It is quiet at 6 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow, clear conditions, and then later tomorrow evening, some extra clouds at 11 o'clock. But these numbers are very, while cool, are very mild for nighttime temperatures in almost the middle of November. So for tomorrow morning, a little coastal fog early. Otherwise, a developing sunshine. 11 a.m., we're already jumping up to 65 degrees, and during the afternoon, continues to be unseasonably warm once again with high temperatures approaching 70. All right, 7-day forecast. Veterans Day Wednesday with rain likely and a mild day too. However, I feel as though the daylight hours will actually be dry. So the rain actually, or the showers holding off until probably Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and that will spill over into Thursday. Thursday is cooler at 62. And look at the reality check. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, looking at temperatures in the 50s, which is pretty much where we should be for November, and overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. But pretty mild next couple of days, Kim, especially tomorrow. Temperatures approaching 70. For Veterans Day, any services and remembrances during the day, it's dry. That should hold off until Wednesday night, the rain. And
that's good news. It's still pretty mild on Wednesday as well, right?
Yeah, upper 60s is pretty toasty.
All right, Tony, thank you. Yeah. Brian.